Hey everyone, this is Bob. I'm going to start this recording. I think the first thing you need to do if you're using your Android device is to hold it in the landscape mode, which is the long way. You're going to open up Loom, and then you're going to press this button. All right, and you're going to press screen record. It'll do the 3 seconds. I'm using another tool right now, so I'm not going to press this, but it's going to do 3 seconds. And it's going to start, and you're going to open a PowerPoint. Remember, you can trim this later, okay, so don't worry about that. I'm going to open up PowerPoint. You want it to be in the landscape mode, which means it's the long way. In the top right corner, you'll see the little play button for your slides. Once you're ready, go ahead, click on that, and it'll start. But for some reason, my face doesn't show up. So maybe this will work much better on your own device. Who knows? All right. So this is me talking about myself for the Minister of Education position. The next slide will be, and it played in 20 seconds, will be about your own ethos, your credibility. Let me just open up and see if I can actually find the third slide, and I'll just start with that one. 20 seconds later, boom. As Dr. Fatma Toka Göktepe from Cha University mentioned in her article, English education is not providing our students with the ability to communicate on an international stage. According to her research, teachers do not have the resources or expertise to help our students to improve their communication ability. Oh, I said that too slow. And then, boom, that part, right? So if you mess up, totally fine with Loom. You can just delete what you messed up on. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this slide. But yes, you can use your Android device in order to do this assignment. And that's it. I'm going to finish out of this, close that with the click of that button. And yeah, that is that. I'm using another tool today. And we're going to go ahead and click that and stop.